Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are pledge of allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town. Zanwell.
We go, we go,
together in perfect dynasty, and give honor and glory unto He that is mine. Send us your love, oh child, your mercy and your grace. Send us your love, oh child, your mercy and your grace. How great and how mighty is your name, and worthy to be praised. For He's the Almighty Creator and the King of glory. In serving Jah never be unfaithful, and never you be ungrateful.
About the water situation in Rock River. It is why, come January, we are going to start the work on the Rock River Spring Project.
Every time it's close to an election, them announce a water project. Every single year they come and they announce water project, and then they re-announce it and re-announce it and expect you to support them in the next election. That's the system that we are fighting against. I'm saying to the people of Rock River, don't let them fool you anymore. In August 2019, Minister Charles was touring Rock River because low ground facility going to come in play. 5 years later, it hasn't happened. The new session of me says to send it around. Another 2019 from the then Minister of Water. The Rock River Water Project is one of several on the way in Clarendon. The well development system will bring water access to communities and is part of the efforts in fulfilling Vision 2030. What Vision 2030? In 2022, Member of Parliament make big announcement in Parliament, NWC to build small dam in Rock River, Clarendon. And if that never bad enough, then bring in observer for the NPR. March 27, Clarendon residents excited about plans for dam to ease water problems. Rock River, they get your hopes up again, and there is no water project. March 29, 2024, 5 million gallon water treatment system to be installed. Guess where? At low ground in Rock River, Clarendon, North Central. Big story again. And to date, no major water project has been done in this constituency that can stand the test of time. And every time it's close to an election, every time the project over Rock River. Rock River, they take you the food because they have you in the abundance of water. Rivers everywhere you go, yet still you are thirsty as they announce more water projects. The farmers cannot get water to feed their animals. They cannot get water for their produce on their farms. But every single year they come and they announce water project and then they re-announce it and re-announce it and expect you to support them in the next election. It's time for you to stand up and be counted. It's time for you to stand up against this system that's taking you before.
The man from Baskerville, newly minted mayor in St. Mary, Comrade Fitzroy Wills is here. All right, Cataract sound in the building. Comrades,
So you mean Cataract keep the
I am
fire
going
burning?
to a place in this constituency which I call the gateway to this constituency. It is the first place that you enter and the last place when you are leaving. For the beautiful Castleton division, please to welcome Comrade Wayne Campbell from Castleton.
Let's drink to the hard-working people, and let's drink to the lowly of birth. Raise your glass to the good and the evil. Let's drink to the salt of the earth.
Comrades, greetings. Comrades from near and far. Comrades on the platform. Castleton comrades, let me hear you raise a glass and raise your hand. You know in Castleton, them call it the Forgotten Division. And it might be true. Because in Castleton we have unemployment 45 to 55%. So we call it the Forgotten Division. Crime in Castleton increasing. So we call it the Forgotten Division. The police station have no vehicle for over a year. So we still call it the Forgotten Division. Now, as a division, you know, we will ask representation from other constituency to walk through the division. And sometimes we barely can get anybody because we are still called the Forgotten Division. But I'll tell you this, I am very proud of Castleton. And there are some things that Castleton need to do. And I see Comrade Brown starting on the right track. I want to big up the man. I don't business with what go on or what pass. We are PNP and we are going to take it. You know, people say that, or this is a thing that we use, that you work from your strength to your weakness. Let me tell you something, I don't believe that one size fits all. Because what I notice in Castleton, that our strong PD, the labor right them working it and staying there, and now we can barely win those PD. Employment. We have employment opportunity in Castleton, but we need to structure. We have the Castleton Garden. We have sand mining. We have the maroon. We have the hiking trail. We have all those. but we need structuring. We don't even have even class in the whole division. We have 2 community centers. With 1 community center have 13 industrial machines in it, rotting down, nothing. We need, and we are working on it. We're working on an IABM machine to put at the police station. Castan people have to travel to Stony Hill and to Anata Bay. 8 years. 8 years. And we not see nothing from done. So I guess that done. Him done. But I'll be like Seymour Panton. Seymour Panton said him afraid for drink the water. So I guess them still drinking the water. Because them drink the water and them don't say anything wrong with 28 bank book. Them drink the water and them don't say anything wrong with what Andrew Holness do. So them still drinking the water. Comrade Brown, let me tell you, when you reach Parliament, take the water from Southeast St. Mary. Thank you.
Comrades, one more time.
Them say one cocoa full basket. So young people join the movement. We may be little, but with talawa. And listen to me, Leah Barang. I thought I told you that the committee is coming. We are fighting for our democratic right. So a time for the book on the flight. Comrade, this election is too important not to vote. It's too important to not let your vote count. It's too important to put our future in someone else's hand. Let your voice be heard by using your finger. Fight for your country. So comrades in Nanata Bay, comrades in Richmond, comrades in Belfield and Cashiton, on election day, put the X beside the N. Please do it for me. Do it for you, your grandchildren, uncle, brother, sister, aunts, them too. Remember everything, Chris. The word is love.
Party mash up again.
Southeast St. Mary, welcome your next member of Parliament, the man from this constituency, Comrade Christopher Brown.
Who cares what they're thinking? Spear. Everybody singing.
The next member of Parliament, St. Mary. Are you ready? Yes, indeed. Robinson, Member of Parliament. And I see a man standing right over there, so. Hello, we don't want more cheer on the stage. Me I tell you from now. We don't want some more cheer. I see a man that I know everybody like. When he speaks, he doesn't mince his word. He's a multifaceted man. I say welcome the next MP in St. Catherine, Comrade Raymond Price. Everything, Chris, and everybody are there tonight. But I'm moving to the young people them now. I give them a minute and a half each because the young people them are going good. They're leading. And I bring to you now a young man. Me and him share the same name, so he must be a ladies man because I love woman bad. I hope he not disappoint me. So I say welcome from St. Mary, from the PMP where you young Mario Gossop. Give him a warm PMP welcome.
Please, comrades, allow me to stand on the established protocols. But I want to offer special recognition to Member Julian, Comrade Julian Robinson. Welcome to Southeast St. Mary. His Worship the Mayor, the man that's handling the municipal corporation, Mayor Fitzroy Wilson, and all other special invited guests. But we must big up the man of the hour, the next Member of Parliament for Southeast St. Mary, Comrade Christopher Brown.
Cataract sound, cataract sound, cataract sound.
I make me turn up in ya. Stop. Singer, me, cross, on, killer, some rock, some liquor. You wet, keep up, get, drop, quicker, make a dance couple time.
Comrades, I love the energy. Comrades, I bring you tonight greetings on behalf of the St. Mary PNP Youth Organization. And as a proud citizen of Southeast St. Mary, your struggles are my struggles. Comrades, we are here tonight because we share a vision. A vision for a brighter Southeast St. Mary. A vision where our youths are empowered and our communities are uplifted. For too long, comrades, our youths have been struggling with finding meaningful employment. And they'll want to say the youths, them lazy. But I want to say, the youths are ready to work. The youths are ready to build their lives. But the doors of opportunity remains closed on them. For too long, comrades, our communities have been plagued with poor infrastructure that not only hinders our day-to-day lives, but the growth of the great Southeast St. Mary. And if we want, comrades, real development, we need a leader that will prioritize development of youths. We need a leader that understands the realities that the youths are facing and will provide opportunities and create a Southeast that our people will not only